Hello and welcome. Today we dive into the intriguing topic of the Moon time zone. Now we're all familiar with Earth's time zones, those invisible lines that neatly carve our world into 24 sections, each with its own designated hour of the day. But what happens when we extend this concept beyond our home planet? Imagine this, a time zone not bound by the Earth, but rather by our celestial neighbor, the Moon. This is no longer a realm of pure imagination. It's a reality in the making, a grand project spearheaded by NASA and the White House. So what does a Moon time zone entail? Let's delve deeper. Recently, the White House directed NASA to create a unique time zone for the Moon. This isn't just about telling time in space. It's about setting a new standard, an international norm, if you will, for the final frontier. The goal here is to provide a framework that will not only facilitate but also sustain our presence on the Moon in the long run. This directive is a game changer. It's about more than just placing a flag on lunar soil. It's about establishing a lasting human presence, a home away from home, a stepping stone to the stars. And to make this possible, accurate communication and tracking of missions is critical. To address this, NASA is planning to use atomic clocks on the Moon, similar to how we keep time here on Earth. The establishment of this lunar time zone, known as Coordinated Lunar Time, or LTC, is set to coincide with NASA's ambitious Artemis program, which aims to send humans back to the Moon by September 2026. This directive is part of a larger vision for the future of space exploration. This new Moon time zone, known as Coordinated Lunar Time, or LTC, holds great significance. You see, the Moon's gravity is only 1/6 of Earth's, which creates a time difference. This time difference can pose challenges in communication and tracking of lunar missions. It's like trying to coordinate a phone call with a friend who lives in a different time zone, but on a much larger and more complex scale. Now imagine this on the lunar surface, with astronauts and rovers operating in different areas. Without a unified time system, coordinating these activities could become a logistical nightmare. This is where LTC comes into play. LTC ensures that everyone and everything on the Moon is on the same time, making it possible to effectively plan and coordinate activities. Moreover, LTC is not just about convenience, it also has implications for safety and efficiency. Accurate timekeeping allows for precise navigation, which is critical when you're dealing with the harsh and unforgiving lunar environment. It enables us to keep track of where our astronauts and equipment are at all times, reducing the risk of accidents or mishaps. Indeed, the establishment of LTC is a crucial step towards effective lunar missions. But how will time be kept on the Moon, and what role does the Artemis program play in this? Well, NASA has a plan. They intend to utilize atomic clocks on the Moon for timekeeping, mirroring the methods we use here on Earth. Atomic clocks are incredibly precise, making them ideal for maintaining the Coordinated Lunar Time, or LTC, that we've discussed earlier. Now let's talk about the Artemis program. This ambitious project aims to send humans back to the Moon by September 2026. And here's where things get interesting. The establishment of LTC is set to coincide with the launch of the Artemis program. This isn't a coincidence. Having a precise lunar time system in place is crucial for the success of such missions. It enables accurate communication, ensures efficient tracking, and facilitates coordination of activities on the lunar surface. So the Artemis program isn't just about landing humans on the Moon, it's also about establishing a sustainable human presence there. And LTC plays a significant role in making that a reality. As we can see, the creation of a Moon time zone is an exciting and vital part of our journey towards lunar exploration. In conclusion, the Moon time zone is a fascinating and essential development. This initiative by the White House and NASA is a critical step towards establishing international norms in space and enabling long-term human presence on the Moon. The creation of Coordinated Lunar Time, or LTC, is vital for precise communication and mission tracking, considering the time difference caused by the Moon's lower gravity. The Artemis program plays a key role, aiming to put humans on the Moon by September 2026, coinciding with the establishment of LTC. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the Moon time zone. Please subscribe for more videos on intriguing topics such as this.